Hi everyone. Okay, today we have a patient after day 1 Smart FUE. He is 31 years old and he has male pattern hair loss level 3 vertex. So what we have done is basically we have restored his hairline, okay, with 2000 graft. Now let's see. So as you can see, we have restored a natural hairline for him for a 31-year-old, okay, and 2000 graft has been placed around this area. As you can see, this is day 1 and day 1 looks very good healing already. In Smart FUE, the graft placement that we did at the frontal temple area here is that the forelock we do it very close blunting. Okay, as you can see here. Alright, and we also create a very natural frontal temporal angle here.